Hello and welcome to this video on how to become a millionaire. If you've ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom and living a life of abundance, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most effective strategies and techniques that can help you achieve millionaire status. Step 1. Develop a millionaire mindset. The first step in becoming a millionaire is to develop a millionaire mindset. This means changing your attitude and beliefs about money. Start by believing that you deserve to be wealthy and that it's possible for you to achieve your financial goals. Surround yourself with positive influences and focus on the opportunities instead of the obstacles. Step 2. Set specific goals. The second step is to set specific goals for yourself. Write down your financial goals, both short-term and long-term, and be as specific as possible. For example, instead of saying you want to be a millionaire, set a specific goal of earning $1 million in 5 years. Having clear and specific goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your path to millionaire status. Step 3. Create a plan. Once you have your goals in place, the next step is to create a plan to achieve them. Start by identifying the steps you need to take to reach your goals. And then break those steps down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Create a timeline and hold yourself accountable for sticking to it. Step 4. Increase your income. One of the most important factors in becoming a millionaire is increasing your income. This can be achieved through a variety of ways, such as starting a business, investing in stocks or real estate, or finding ways to earn additional income through a side hustle. Whatever method you choose, focus on increasing your income over time. Step 5. Live below your means. Another key factor in becoming a millionaire is living below your means. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Instead of buying a new car or taking expensive vacations, focus on saving and investing your money wisely. Step 6. Invest your money wisely. Finally, invest your money wisely to help grow your wealth over time. This can be done through a variety of investment strategies, such as investing in stocks, real estate, or starting your own business. The key is to diversify your investments and focus on long-term growth. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire is not an easy feat, but it is possible with the right mindset, goals, and strategies. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start your journey to financial freedom and achieve your millionaire dreams. Remember, it takes hard. Thank you guys. We will see you in next video.